Efflubox, developed by Ecosan, is a modular stainless steel system designed for wastewater treatment and recovery, ideal for decentralized, remote, rural, and urban applications. Featuring a plug-and-play design, it enables fast installation and offers a fully scalable structure. Each module treats up to 5 liters per second, serving the equivalent of approximately 2,400 people. Modules can be installed in parallel, allowing capacity to expand in line with local demand growth. Its patented technology integrates advanced automation and digital operation, including real-time remote monitoring, continuous parameter analysis, and intelligent systems for anomaly detection and alert generation. It also features adaptive control, automatically adjusting operations according to variations in flow and load. The platform is aligned with Industry 4.0 concepts and supports integration through SCADA systems and telemetry. With BOD removal efficiency above 85%, Efflubox ensures robust and stable treatment performance while also enabling water reuse compliance, depending on project requirements. Another key advantage is its simplified implementation, making Efflubox an efficient solution to accelerate sanitation expansion in regions that require safe, modern, and high-performance systems with optimized operation and data-driven decision-making support. Ecosan, transforming water since 1983.